My name's Rich. I live in Stonewater Creek in Millsboro, Delaware. It was a recommendation from an engineer friend of mine. We had a leak in a pool piping, and the repairs were completed by the community. And when we were repouring the concrete, we noticed we could see a gap between the earth and the bottom of the decking. We could see 25+ feet underneath, so the decking was hanging in midair. Upon further investigation, there were 5 areas that this was happening to. We did our due diligence. We looked at replacing the concrete or using DryZone. DryZone came in, gave us a price, and we were very happy with it, and that's the way we went. I feel we really did our due diligence on this job because there's a large expense for our community. DryZone was very professional. They came out, walked over the job with us, ensured us that we had the 5 areas marked out, and then they answered all our questions we had and how, the job would be done. The problem we were having was if we decided to renew the concrete, we were looking at not being able to use our big amenity, which is the pool, for at least 5 to 8 weeks. DryZone came in, and before the pool was open, the job was completed. So they stepped us through the whole process. We now have a deck that is stabilized. The decking is stabilized, so we can have parties like we normally have without fear of falling through the concrete. And it was done in a timely manner, so it did not have to extend the opening of the pool, which was Memorial Day. It puts you at ease, and the product really does work. The professionalism, typically in Delaware you don't get the professionalism that DryZone provided. They stepped us through, gave us the proposal. Once we were accepting the proposal, they gave us a completion date. Next, the frontline supervisor came out and walked the project with us. Then after walking the project, he said, "Do you have any questions?" We said, "No, you've answered everything." Then the day of the installation, he came out and he walked the project again. And it was just putting everybody at ease that we made the right decision. And it really was the right decision.